Sometimes on Instagram, when you're uploading a story, you might want to add it to the archive section too. If you add it to the archive section, even after the story disappears, it'll be saved in the archive section, so you can view it later. If you want your stories to automatically save to the archive section, you can tweak one setting. Once you do, your stories will automatically be added to the archive section. In this video, we'll show you how. First, open the Instagram app. Next, you'll see your profile photo at the bottom. Tap on it. When you do, you'll land on your profile. Right next to your profile photo, there's a plus button. Click that plus button. Once you tap it, you'll see an option to add a story. Here, you'll notice a settings option. Tap on it. Then, select story. Once you're in the story settings, you'll see a bunch of options. Scroll down. As you scroll, you'll find an option called Save Story to Archive. Sometimes, it's turned off by default. If it's off, your stories won't automatically save to the archive section. To enable this, just switch it on. After that, your stories will also be saved to the archive section. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one.